two heavyweight credit cards, one famous for luxury, the other for everyday rewards. Which one actually puts more value in your wallet? On one side, the Amex Platinum, known for ultimate luxury and elite travel perks. On the other, the Citi Strata Premier, engineered to maximize your rewards on everyday spending. Let's skip the marketing glitz and dive straight into the real differences. Each category earns points, so you'll know exactly which card takes the crown by the end. And trust me, the winner in 2025 might surprise you. Before we get too deep, let's map out what we're actually going to compare. We've got annual fees, welcome offers, travel perks and lounge access, rewards earning, redemption options, everyday usability, and, of course, the whole status and prestige factor. You know, all the stuff that either makes you love or kinda hate a card. Keep these categories in mind as we go through. First up, annual fees. Okay, so the Amex Platinum comes in swinging with a super high annual fee. Seriously, almost $900. That's like, whoa, right? But you do get all those premium perks and travel credits, so it can pay for itself if you use every single benefit. On the other hand, Citi Strata Premier keeps things way more chill at $95 a year. Yep, you heard that right. This is way easier to justify if you're not balling out on travel or premium stuff every month. Sure, it doesn't come with luxury bells and whistles, but for most people, that lower fee wins, honestly. All right, next, welcome offers. Amex Platinum is a legend here. I mean, we're talking up to 175,000 membership rewards points if you spend enough in the first few months. That's gigantic. The catch, though? The minimum spend is tough, and there are some eligibility hoops. Now, Citi Strata Premier is definitely easier to qualify for, offering somewhere between 60,000 to 100,000 thank you points after $4,000 to $6,000 spend. Not as jaw-dropping, but still solid. So, if you're ready to hit those big numbers and want that huge bonus, Amex takes this one. But for the rest of us, Citi makes it much more accessible. Let's talk travel perks and lounges, because, you know, this is where cards like these like to show off. Amex Platinum. Oh, and here's something cool. You get access to the Global Lounge Collection. Centurion Lounges, Priority Pass, Delta Sky Club. Just a bit limited unless you're spending a ton. Plus, there are hotel elite statuses, car rental upgrades, up to $600 in hotel credits, and all kinds of travel protections. It's basically the VIP treatment. Citi Strata Premier does try to hang in there, giving you Priority Pass lounge access and some event perks, plus a nice hotel savings benefit. But, it doesn't touch what Amex is offering in terms of pure luxury and exclusivity. So, Amex Platinum, definitely the winner here. Did you know? The Amex Platinum card was the first card to offer airport lounge access as a major perk for travelers. So if you've ever walked into a Centurion lounge and thought, wow, this is fancy, well, you've got Amex to thank for kicking off that trend. Moving on to how you actually earn rewards. The Amex Platinum is, let's just say, kind of focused. 5 times the points on flights and hotels through Amex Travel, but outside of that, not a ton of multipliers on your everyday spending. The Citi Strata Premier, though, is all about daily life. 3 times the points at restaurants, groceries, gas, even EV charging stations. And 10 times on hotels, car rentals, and attractions booked through Citi Travel. That's wild. If you're not always booking with Amex, Citi just racks up points everywhere. So on earning rewards, Citi Strata Premier totally sweeps it. Okay, redemption and flexibility. Amex Platinum's membership rewards points are famous for being, like, some of the most valuable out there, especially for airline and hotel transfers. You can cash out for travel, gift cards, or even merchandise. The only thing? Some partners are region-specific, so a bit less global than you'd want maybe. With Citi Strata Premier, you can use thank you points for travel, gift cards, and cash. It's flexible, too, with a ton of bonus earning categories. But generally, the transfer and redemption value just isn't as solid as Amex. Amex gets the nod here again. Let's get practical. Everyday usability. Amex Platinum kind of wants you living that luxury life. It excels at travel bookings, fancy hotels, special experiences. Using it for groceries or gas? Honestly, not the smartest play. And the category bonuses are limited there. Citi Strata Premier leans into your daily spending hardcore. Groceries, restaurants, gas, travel, you name it, there's a bonus. Oh, and no foreign transaction fees, which is awesome if you travel internationally. even just occasionally. For the everyday grind, Citi Strata Premier is way more usable. Last but not least, status and prestige. Amex Platinum is instantly recognizable. Pull it out and, yeah, people know you mean business when it comes to travel. The hotel elite statuses are a flex, and it's basically the go-to for high-end perks. Now, Citi Strata Premier is super valuable, don't get me wrong, but it's not really a status symbol. More of a mainstream, everyone can get value kind of deal. If you're after prestige, Amex still rules. Looking at all our categories side by side, fees, bonuses, travel perks, rewards, redemption, everyday use, and status, it's clear both cards have legit strengths, but for totally different types of users. So here's my take. If you're all about travel, luxury, the little upgrades, and having hotel status, Amex Platinum is worth every penny. Just make sure you actually use all those perks, or it's really not worth that sky-high fee. But for most people who just want awesome, flexible rewards for everyday spending without dropping nearly $1,000 each year, Citi Strata Premier is a points powerhouse, and honestly, makes way more sense for the average person. Enjoyed this card showdown? Stick with us for more deep dives into the world of points, perks, and those hidden card hacks. There's always more to learn, so